All right, y'all, we're gonna make a chocolate ooey gooey butter cake. A lot of y'all have heard the classic ooey gooey butter cake. Well, this is the chocolate version, if you didn't figure that out already. Trying to make Paula Dean proud with this one. So we start with 1 packet of chocolate cake mix. We're gonna pour in 1 stick of melted butter and 1 egg. We're going to crack into that mixture. Once you have that in there, you want to get it stirred up nice and thoroughly. All right, got that good and mixed together. So we're going to bring over our 9 by 13 baking dish that we've lined with parchment paper, and we're going to just throw this down on the bottom of it in a nice little clump. Doesn't it look beautiful? What do you think, Tyler?
It looks pretty interesting. I think it'll be good. It's a little thick.
You want the bottom to be thick, because you're going to put that chocolate lava goodness on top. Okay, now that you have it all spread out on the bottom, we're going to put this to the side, bring a medium mixing bowl, and we're going to put 8 ounces of cream cheese into there. We got to start making our lava filling. I keep calling it lava because that's what it's like to me. So let's bring over our mixer. You want to put it on a low or medium low and just get it nice and smooth. Woo! All right, so we got that nice and smooth. So we're going to add in 2 eggs. Uno. Dose. 1/4 cup of cocoa powder into that, and let's get that mixed together at a low speed. All right, now let's go ahead and throw in our stick of melted butter into that. All right, once you got that mixed in there, we're going to throw in about 16 ounces of powdered sugar, or confectioners sugar, as some of y'all call it. And go ahead and get that mixed in at a low speed. All right, we got that good and mixed together. So let's get this last little bit off with our spatula. So we're going to bring our base back over and throw this chocolate topping on top of it. Oh yeah. This looks like it's going to be pretty good. All right, now once you got that on top, just want to get it smooth, evenly as possible. All right, we got that nice smoothed over the top pretty good. We're going to transfer this to the oven. We have it preheated to 350. We're going to put it in there for 40 to 50 minutes. So once it hits 40, you want to keep your eye on it and let it be in there for 40 to 50 minutes. All right, so let's check on this baby. Our chocolate ooey gooey butter cake, baby.
Ooh. Sean, that looks phenomenal.
It really is like the chocolate version of the ooey gooey. Let me tell y'all folks, from experience, you want to let this cool down for a good bit before you try it. So we're going to let it cool down and then I'm going to try it. All right, let's give this thing a try now that we let it cool down.
Looks like it's cutting so easy.
Oh yeah, look at that little.
That looks really good.
Ooh, nice little plop. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Oh yeah, that cut through so. Ooh, look at that. That is really good. I think I like this better than the original Ooey Gooey butter cake. Y'all gotta try this.